in today's video, my BMW is going to change forever. As you can see, the car is blurred for very good reason, because we're actually wrapping this car. And it's already wrapped. I'm just not going to show you guys yet. Ever since I was a little boy, I've always dreamt of wrapping a car. And I knew when I bought this car, I would get it wrapped. I wasn't sure what colour, but I was sure it needed a new one. So when I bought this car over a year ago, I thought I'd focus on the smaller things. You know, a splitter, a diffuser, and even tuning the car. Oh my! But now that's all done, there was only two things standing in my way. New wheels and a new colour. And that's what we're doing today. So, let's go back to 3 weeks ago to show you how we got wrapped. Guys, I am so excited right now. We're currently on the way to KL Graphic Designs in Basildon. We're getting the car wrapped. I can't believe I'm saying this. Honestly, it's been a dream. It has been a dream. As you can see, the wrap is in the back. You guys still don't know what colour it is. It has been a dream, and I'm so happy I can finally wrap my car. So excited. So guys, we've made it down to KL Graphic Designs with the 235. Look at this. Under the light, it looks good. Excuse this. This is from me taking off the PPF on my bonnet, and I've left a bit of glue. They're going to sort that. But it does look nice under this light. It's going to look a whole lot better. But I haven't showed you guys the colour of the wrap we're going. And I'm umming and ahhing to show you it on the car first. I think I'm going to show you it now. So, in this box, right here, is the wrap. Miami blue. Just like that. Straight off of a Porsche. It's going to look insane. I hope it looks insane. I'm a little bit nervous I've chose the wrong colour, but it is what it is. I was actually going to choose Ruby Stone Red, which is right here. I went against it just because I don't know. I just didn't. I just couldn't put it on. There's something stopping me. It does look really, really good. So we're going to be leaving the 235 here for a few days, and it is going to come back Miami blue. Now, I don't want you guys in the comments saying I'm copying Maxi. I'm not. I mean, I am. But his car looks good, so it's all right. Like, it's not in the UK, so it doesn't really count.
Charlie, my car's thrown up a fault, but I don't know what it means.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's just like I got the light on.
Well, that's really strange because Carly's sponsoring today's video. Let's go have a look. Look, I can see you've got an engine light. That ain't good. But luckily, Carly's here to help. We're going to plug this in. This is a Carly OBD scanner, and it's going to tell us exactly what is wrong with the car. It's good, isn't it?
Very good.
So we're just connecting up the scanner now, and as you can see, it'll be connected, and this is completely Bluetooth, so it's really easy, and you could do it all by your phone. So we need to check what this fault code is, so let's press diagnostics and let's check for issues. And just like that, Carly is going to scan our car for us, and once it's scanned and we find the issue, it's also going to tell us exactly what's wrong and how to fix it through Carly Smart Mechanic, which is really, really cool. I'll show you guys in a minute. So the diagnostics has been completed. Let's show results. So we have found a lot of issues. This car has only done 3,500 miles, and we've got so many issues, and it says there the health status is bad. So we're going to click into one, and as you can see here, head unit functional limitation for Bluetooth audio browsing. That don't sound very good. So we're going to click Carly Smart Mechanic, and as you can see here, it says exactly what is wrong with your car, and here you can see it lists the potential causes of the error, which is really cool. So incorrect pairing with the end device, software version of the vehicle is incorrect, that sort of thing. So that's really cool. And as you can see here, you've got Smart Mechanic for this fault, and many, many more. As you can see, you've also got airbag faults, which is not good, considering this car is brand new. So Carly doesn't only do diagnostic scanning, you can do a used car check, which I really like. Unfortunately, there's no point doing it on this car. This car is brand new, but you can check if your mileage is correct on your car and no one's rolled it back. Carly can also customize your car. Now, what do I mean by that? That means coding in all little things that will really help how you drive that the manufacturer keeps going, maybe because it's the law or something they don't like. So right now, I have just coded out the seatbelt warning. So every time you want to drive without your seatbelt on, you won't get the bing, bing, bing. So now that's coded, we're going to turn the car on, see if everything works. Hopefully that fault code's gone away. There we go. No engine light. Happy days. You're welcome, PB.
we are now ready to pick up my BMW from the rapper company. It's been 2 days. They've been so quick. Huge shout out to KL Graphic Designs. They are actually really good. It's gonna be there. I am so excited. Right, well, let's get going. Right guys, we're going to see the rat. It's just around that corner. Let's go. I haven't seen it yet, not a single spoiler. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm really nervous, but I'm excited as well. Just around this corner guys. Oh my god. Look at that beast. Holy shit. Oh my god. Quiet. I'm in awe. It's f***ing mental. Jesus Christ. It's so nice, the colour, isn't it? So guys, what do we think of the Miami Blue BMW M235i? Personally, I think it is absolutely mental. It looks so good. Look at that. I mean, obviously, it's made a big difference, but I think it's the best choice I could have made. There was a few colours that I was thinking of, like Ruby Star Red. I considered Midnight Purple, but I wanted a loud colour, and I think this was the perfect one to go for because it just looks amazing. The guys over at KL Graphic Designs have done an incredible job. I mean, you can see for yourself, it is absolutely flawless, and they put on the yellow crash bars which work perfectly with the yellow DRLs. I think we've got to go yellow calipers next, I'm not going to lie. I think that's going to have to be next. Damo, what do you think of the BMW Miami Blue?
Honestly, it's lovely. It doesn't come out on camera.
Yeah, the colour is different even on camera, but yeah, it looks amazing.
So nice, yeah, honestly. I think you made the right choice with the colour, I'm not going to lie.
Me too. I think I've really made the right choice. But I thought it would look so different to the point where I wouldn't even recognise it as my car. You know, it's still my car.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I've done this. So guys, we have kept this hidden from Leo all day. We haven't even sent him a single photo. So, that is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna get Leo's an actual reaction. He's parked just up the road and we're gonna drive it to him. Look at that. Oh my God. It is beautiful.
This is gonna be sick. I hope he likes it.
I don't actually care what he thinks, but you know. Hello, bro.
Oh my God. That is beautiful.
Leo, what do you think, bro?
Yellow crash bars are great as well.
Yeah.
That is amazing. Oh my God.
It's like a brand new car, isn't it?
How is this?
You gonna get it on yours?
Yeah.
That's Leo's 135i, if you guys didn't know. But he needs to get Miami Blue on his. I kind of stole his idea for Miami Blue. He was going to put it on that, and that's why I stole it, but you know.
You know what the red interior is?
It's not that bad, is it?
Because it's like a turquoisey blue.
Yeah. It is turquoise.
Yeah. The splitter looks way better on this colour than on the mineral grey.
So there we go, guys. Now, I want every single one of you guys to comment Leo to 1, make a YouTube channel, and 2, Miami Blue 135i.
And get rid of the black wheels.
And get rid of those black wheels.
Yeah, I will do that.
What, Miami Blue 135i?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes.
Look at that. Boys, I am so in love. The yellow DRLs, the yellow crash bars.
Amazing. The DRLs look.
Right guys, so as you know, we got the car wrapped the other day, and unfortunately, we didn't have any plates on the front, and obviously that is very illegal. However, Leo, what are we doing today?
Getting this onto the car.
as you can see, the bumper is already off and we're getting the Magna plates fitted. These are drenched, but there we go. So these will be going on the back of that, and those magnets will be going inside there, and they're gonna be able to stick. So let's get going, because I don't want to mess around and do this. Let's go.
Charlie, tell us a bit about what you're doing today.
What aren't I doing, mate? Right, as you can see down here, they're all on. So theoretically, are we going to try it, Leo? We kind of got to try it while the bumper's off. Do the honours, please.
Oh!
And now do the honours again.
Whoa!
Whoa! There we go. So they're all working and they're all staying stuck.
Yeah.
Good, good. Right, let's get the bumper back on in 3, 2, 1, bang. There we go. Just like that. The Magna plates are on. Jesus Christ, that is not as easy as you think it would be. But look, at the end of the day, they look good. That is all that matters. And there we go. The M235i is wrapped. Wow. I cannot believe it. Look how amazing that looks. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys miss mineral grey. Personally, how can you miss mineral grey? It's a nice colour, don't get me wrong, but how can you miss it when your car looks like this? This is immaculate. One more time. I love this, I don't know why. It's addicting. But there we go. Went for a little drive, make sure everything stayed on. And it's still on, so there we go. Wow. I am so happy with this, like you guys would not believe. So here it is, the Miami Blue M235i, and we're here with Jamie in his green, satin green M240i. This looks amazing. You love it?
Yeah, no.
You've definitely seen this guy on TikTok, by the way. You've definitely seen him on TikTok because his car is amazing. I absolutely love it. But I've got to ask, as you kind of was the reason I wrapped this car, what do you think of my wrap?
You know what, I absolutely love it. I mean, I saw it online for a little bit before you posted this video, and I did really like it, but in person, it's a different story. Also, obviously, I've got them on my car as well, but the yellow gel rail's absolutely top off the car.
Of course.
It looks unbelievable.
Yeah, they look amazing.
Might have to do the same thing with the V-bars as well, and make mine yellow, because I think
They
make
would
it
look so good. They would look so good. But there you go. Jamie approves. Make sure to follow him on TikTok, and you're doing YouTube now.
I am doing YouTube now. I've got the first video up.
Yeah.
Should have some more coming soon. Get it in the bio.
It's in the bio. Give him a sub. So guys, that is the end of the video. What do we think of the wrap? Personally, I think it is fucking amazing. It looks beautiful. I literally cannot get over this. I mean, it's dirty as shit right now, right? We ignore that because I'm lazy. I don't clean it. It looks amazing. Just quickly, I'd like to add, we actually installed a new diffuser. There's the aero diffuser. I put it on TikTok. You guys should follow my TikTok. For all these little mods, they're all go on my TikTok. So make sure you follow that. And my Instagram while you're there. Why not? But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see my last video where ChatGPT tuned my car, then click up there. Otherwise, I'll see every single one of you guys in the next video. Goodbye.